Good morning, y'all. Puff Mud Princess here. We're getting all this bait ready for our kayak fishing event. It is a beautiful morning. Can't wait to see everybody on the water. Kayak hooked up. We are ready to go. Let's go get some ladies on some fish today on the kayak. One of my true passions that I am absolutely so excited to share with them. It'll be a great day.
Cheese. It ain't no use. Ain't no use. Straight on. Yeah, give it on that new hook that. Most comfortable thing I've ever done.
All right, y'all. We are on the water. I've been so busy. Look, I still got a wacky rig on here from bass fishing. We've got the ladies out on the water. I've sent them up around the creek, so let's go check on them, make sure they're doing all right. They might already be on some fish. Gorgeous little flounder. Congratulations. All right, awesome. Here's your bait bucket, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
What do you got there?
Little baby one.
Stingray.
Cute.
Come for Steve Irwin. You do an awesome job.
And then
Awesome.
that was like, yeah, he's the one that helped me, and I'm like,
Angling women of the Low Country.